What's up, guys? I'm Westside member, Thalassemia Me member. So he sent me a link of this article. Just in case you need to check it out, you can check it out. Put a link below this video. So, yep, there's on this date it's published on the as a Blood first edition paper on November 2009. So that's the news of this website, 11 February 2010. So you can see it submitted date, accepted date. So there's the blood and bone marrow cell transplantation from mother to child with thalassemia. So basically it's like 22 patient is with thalassemia is undergoes this process. Can see it's a bone marrow thing, transplanting, and for 14 patients received this CD34. 8 patients received bone marrow graft or something selected, yeah, and 2 of them died. Yep, 2 of them died, and 14 patient had no problem. 2 patients died. So here, 6 patients rejected their graft, and 14 showed full with functioning graft at a follow-up of 40 months. None of the 14 patients who show full developed cure. Those results suggest that HSCT, short form for that, short form for this haplodentical, for patients with thalassemia who lack a match-related donor. So this is, I think, yeah, it's like most patients can receive this without a match donor, if that what it means, who lack a match donor. So which means like they don't have a match donor, but they are going through this process, I think. And the 2% died out of the 22. Yeah, so 22 out of 2, so it's, yeah, about 5%, 5 to less than 10%, of course. Yep. So it's like 5 to 10%, about it's in the center of 5 to 10 or things like that, because 2 out of 24, so you calculate how many percent is that. So yeah, 14 have no problem with that, and 8% rejected their grafts. So yeah, that's basically it for the article. Related article, you can check all those articles related. So yeah, I'll post the link below this video, and thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.